In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert commits in GitHub Desktop. If you've ever merged a change and then realized it broke something, a revert is the safest way to undo that specific commit without rewriting history. Unlike resetting or force pushing, reverting creates a brand new commit that reverses the changes, which makes it friendly for shared branches and team workflows. Start by opening GitHub Desktop with the repository you're working on. Make sure you're on the branch where the original change was made so you can clearly see the commit you want to undo. At the top of the app, click the History view. This switches you from your current working changes to the project's commit log. On the left, you'll see a chronological list of commits with their messages and timestamps. When you click any entry, the right side shows which files were touched and exactly what changed. Scroll through the list or use the search field to quickly find the commit message you're targeting. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by reviewing the diff. When you've identified the commit you want to undo, right-click that commit in the list. A small menu appears with context actions. Choose Revert Changes and Commit. GitHub Desktop will prepare a new commit that applies the opposite of the original changes. If the revert can be applied cleanly, you'll see those reverse changes staged in the Changes view along with an auto-generated commit message that starts with Revert. You can keep that message as is for clarity or add a brief note explaining why you're reverting so teammates understand the context later. Sometimes if the code has moved on significantly since the original change, you might encounter conflicts during the revert. In that case, GitHub Desktop will point out the files that need attention and guide you through resolving them. Once the conflicts are addressed and marked as resolved, the revert can be completed as a normal commit. After the revert is created, switch back to history to confirm it appears at the top of the list, directly documenting the undo. Your working directory will now reflect the state as if that commit's changes were removed while keeping a clear, auditable trail. This approach is ideal on collaborative branches because it doesn't rewrite past commits. As a final tip, verify the results by running your app or test locally to ensure everything behaves as expected. And when you're satisfied, share your updated history with your team the same way you normally would. That's all there is to reversing a commit safely using GitHub Desktop.